Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. Firstly, I'm sorry for the inconsistency. I know I haven't put any videos from a long time, almost a month, I guess. Anyways, that was because I was stressed. I was busy with something that had to be done. It's not yet completed, but yes, I thought I should be back. It was a very long break, so yes, I'm back now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a easy. For me it is easy, but for some it might feel a bit difficult, but it's not that difficult. You can make it. So a friendship band for friendship day. So happy friendship day to everyone. That is International Friendship Day, which is today, and other friendship day, which is on 6th of August, which we celebrate in India, is coming up. So I hope you all are ready with your gifts and stuff. If not, then completely watch this video and make your friendship band. So yes, let's begin with the video. So to begin with, we need elastic thread, and next what we need is some beads. Firstly, pearl beads, which are small ones. You can take any small beads, anything will do, according to your choice. And these big rose shaped beads I have taken, which I had. So this also will depend how much ever I want I'll use. And some big gold beads. Alternatively, I'll be using the rose and gold beads. And finally, lobster hook and some jump rings. So let's begin. Firstly, we have to take the elastic thread and insert one pearl bead. That is a small bead, whichever you take. Insert one of it and then tie a knot. Once that is done, take 5 such same beads and put it on one side of the elastic thread, and to the other side put the bigger bead. So first I'll start with the gold one. So I'm going to insert the gold bead to the other side firstly. Now take another pearl bead, that is the small bead which you use, and put both the sides of the thread inside it, from the left one from left to right and the other one from right to left, and pull it as shown. So here we are done with one loop. Similarly, we will make more loops. For the second loop, I'll be using the rose shaped red bead. So same, alternatively I'll go on doing, so you all can see the procedure ahead. So as you all saw, the friendship band is ready, or I can say friendship bracelet. So here you go. I loved it. It's looking very nice with the color contrast and stuff. Nice. I liked it. I hope you all liked it too. So let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.